Hi, my name's Kip and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're making New York style cheesecake. We've now rolled out the pie crust and it's time to transfer that flattened rolled out crust to our cheesecake pie tin. Now the best way that I have found to take a dough, and this is going to be a dough that is not going to be real easy to transfer, especially it's thin, is just to roll it. Because it sticks to the surface you rolled it out on pretty well. And I actually have my pastry tool here, which works better. I always forget that I have one of these at home. I just got this one at home instead of having it down at the bakery. And this works really well. Because once it's here, see, we can just pick that right up and layer right down, just like that. And then unroll the dough. That's cool, huh? Now, as we can see, we have some areas that are going to be taller than others, and then just start pressing it in. And if you have any spots that have torn, take scrap and press it into there. Work it up the edges until it comes up to the top reasonably well. It doesn't have to be perfectly at the top. It actually looks kind of nice, I think, when you're done, because part of it is presentation, to have the crust on a cheesecake not exactly uniform and not looking like it came out of a machine, but more like it has been done by hand, which in this case it has. Next step, take and place your tin foil and form that a bit to the pie. All we have to do is add some uncooked rice. Beans work well. Just about anything, lentils, anything that won't be damaged or by baking it for a little while and getting hot. Popcorn, I was tempted to try that one time, but I thought, well, at 415 degrees, I wonder how hot a piece of popcorn's got to get before it pops, and I wasn't sure I wanted popping popcorn in my oven. So once we've done that, we just have to place it in our oven and bake it for 10 minutes. It's now been 10 minutes, and as you can see, we have a little browning on the edges here, and now we can remove our rice. Once we've removed our rice from our pan, we're going to want to bake this for 5 more minutes. Don't forget, once you've removed your pastry crust from the oven, to turn the oven down to 300 degrees to preheat it or to pre-cool it, because we're hotter than that for the pastry, down to the temperature that we'll be baking our New York style cheesecake.